Hey guys, welcome back to the Snapper Chronicles. Today we're coming back at you with another tool video. This one is from Harbor Freight, one of our favorite stores. And last weekend they had a 30% off anything under $10 coupon. So I went in. Usually when there's those 30% $10 coupons, I usually go in and just walk up and down the aisles and see if I spot anything under $10 first, and see if I want to pick it up. And I did remember a while back, somebody mentioned, I think it's the Christian mechanic. He mentioned that I think it was him that he picked a set of these up, I think during the 30% coupon thing also. So I wanted to check them out because they look pretty good, and I went to the screwdriver aisle and I found them, and here they are. And these go by the name of 2-piece 16-inch go through screwdriver set. And it says 16 inches, but it's not the whole thing 16 inches. I think it's just the shafts here are 16 inches, not the handles. If you wanted to include the handles, you probably go up to 21 inches with the handles there. So 16-inch shaft, 21 inches with including the handles. And there's two. There's a flat head and there's a Phillips, and the flat head is 3/8 slotted, and the Phillips is a number 4. So a number 4 Phillips and a 3/8 slotted. Let me read a little bit there. It says heavy duty chrome vanadium blades, magnetized tips. And right here in the front it says made in China. And this is item number 65772. You can see it there on the back. Not much, just the warnings, and that's about it on the back. Let me take this plastic off. So we can see the screwdrivers. They look pretty good. They're not made in Taiwan. It doesn't say Taiwan. It just says China. But I don't know. They look pretty decent to me. The handles look good on these, and these are more like a demolition style screwdriver. The thing here, the thingamajig, it says go through screwdriver set. I guess that's what they mean. This handle here, and it connects to the metal cap here. You can see it through the handles. The handles, they seem like pretty decent quality, not too bad. They seem okay. And we see the Pittsburgh there. And on the blade itself, or the shaft, the shafts are squared, and all it says is chrome vanadium. And here's the tip for the slotted, and they didn't do too bad of a job here. It looks pretty okay. Everything looks pretty, the lines look clean here. See if you can see the tip itself there. And here is the Phillips, and they do have the size on it. Phillips a Phillips 4x16. This one has it. Yeah, this one also has the 3/8 by 16. And also here, it just says chrome vanadium. And on the tips here, it's a number 4 tip. Also pretty good. Looks pretty clean. Doesn't look raggedy at all. Looks decent. There's a better look at the tip. And let me get a measurement on how wide these shafts are. Let me get my ruler out. Oops. Bumped the camera. Oh boy. Oh, you know what? I should get a better ruler. Let me see. What happened to my rulers? Here I got my ruler, and let's measure. It's about 3/8. Yeah, the thickness is about 1, 2, 3, about 3/8 thickness on these shafts. I mean, they seem pretty good. They don't seem too thin or too thick, but they look like they would get the job done. And I just saw this now on the inside of the shaft here. As it goes through, there's some letters. It looks like on the inside here, it looks like an M and an M, 2 M's on the shaft here. Let me see if the other one has that. No, the other one doesn't have that. So maybe it's just the Phillips one that has those letters there. That's kind of weird. Let me check again. Actually, this one does have, I don't know if you can make it out, something it looks like under there. Am I seeing things? I think that it looks like some letters in there under the Pittsburgh. I'm not sure what they are though. Okay guys, so that's my overview of this screwdriver set from Harbor Freight. This is the Pittsburgh 2-piece 16-inch go-through screwdriver set, and they retail for $9.99. But if in the future, which they do run these 30% coupons kind of often, maybe every couple months, if one of those pops up, and you want to pick this up for $7, yeah, don't look too bad for $7. Okay guys, until next time.